Alright. Now this car is the last thing I'm going to be touching so far, right now, for the rest of the day. We're doing the Imperial after hours. We're going to go to the fashion show. We're taking the Euros and we're taking the SVJ. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial. Blast. You only live once, why not? Walk the runway? I ain't even a model. I mean, I coach, but I'm not even a model. And I'm short, but I grow sometimes. Pretty cool though. That is badass. Love it. This girl right here. She's the cutest, tallest girl I've ever fucking met in my life. God damn, she's beautiful. We're gonna go eat. Babe, you ready to go eat? Let's go. I'm not a gentleman, okay? I don't open doors. No, I do. It's a gentleman thing. Why not? Just do it. Don't matter who that person is. Open the door for her, you know what I mean? She appreciate it. Like, I'm gonna try to shove her. Go inside. I got you. Fucking love life. Let's go. License and registration. I don't have my wallet. I'm so sorry. Can I give you gum?
Get down.
What about some Red Bull? It's watermelon. It's really good.
I like it.
Oh, here we go. So we're here at Toulouse having a good casual dinner right after the fashion show. Here with Alexa.
In Texas.
Hey Alexa, play a song. She's missing the Wi-Fi.
Sorry, I don't know that command.
You're gonna plug in that hard wire.
Whose Lamborghini is that?
I don't know. They left the keys here.
Are you sure?
Man, we're so blessed. The lifestyle, like we work hard. I mean, let's be honest, work is so stressful. But every time after 6 o'clock, when I just like close the doors, and it's like the butch time, like me time, it's like heaven doors open. And then life just starts to be like more tasty. I mean, it's tasty life. It's really good.
Tastes good.
Cheers. Cheers to a badass night. To a good tasty life. That was amazing. You know what?
What?
Oh, you got something on your lips.
What is it?
So we're at Mad Houston. One of the best surgeon places that you can have over here in Houston. I want a show out of you. You gotta see one of Frankie's best bartending shows. Pretty badass. This boy is so talented. Yo, Frankie, check him out. So this is coffee basically. So coffee liqueur. I'm not sure what's in it. You've never told me, but it's so good it'll bring me back every time I come over here. I gotta have it. Carajillo. About to see something one of the coolest restroom walk path. Oh my god! You're locking the door on me. We'll push that door. You okay? This is one of the coolest places. Well, that's it for tonight. We had a blast at the fashion show, badass date, amazing restaurants, and badass fucking drinks. Dude, life is fucking amazing, right? We're living life at its best, at its finest. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Imperial TV. Ciao. Good night.